You know how people always ask which is better, Apple or Android? Or Coke or Pepsi? In the world of credit card rewards, there's a similar debate, Capital One versus Chase versus Amex. It's a question of where your money will go the furthest, and the answer is never as simple as you think. For a long time, the conversation was dominated by Chase and American Express. They're the old guard, the big players with massive, established ecosystems. Chase is loved for its incredible travel partners, especially Hyatt, and its easy-to-use travel portal where your points can get a serious boost in value. American Express is the luxury choice, with a huge list of airline partners and amazing lounge access. They're both powerhouses for premium travel, but their appeal can be a bit niche. And then there's Capital One. For years, they were the underdog, the brand known for simplicity and accessibility. But with cards like the Venture X, they've crashed the premium party in a big way. They've gone from being the simple choice to a legitimate contender. So, who's the best? Well, it all depends on you. If you're a traveler who wants simplicity and a great flat earning rate on everything, Capital One is a serious winner. Their Venture cards earn at least 2x miles on every purchase, every day. No complicated bonus categories to track. Plus, the annual credits on cards like the Venture X make it so easy to offset the fee and get ahead. But if you want to maximize every single dollar you spend on specific categories, Chase or Amex might still be for you. If you spend a lot on dining and travel, Chase's bonus categories on cards like the Sapphire Reserve can earn you points much faster. And if you're a frequent flyer with a specific airline, like Delta, Amex's massive list of exclusive airline partners and frequent transfer bonuses can get you to that dream first-class seat faster than anyone else. Ultimately, there is no single best rewards program. It's about what fits your lifestyle and your spending. Capital One has made a huge leap, but the true value of any of these programs is in how you use them. The person who uses their card strategically to maximize redemptions for a specific travel goal will always come out on top. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.